up to activity sheet number 4. Okay, today I am going to teach you the activity sheet number 5. Okay, open page number 65 in your textbook. Page number how much? 65. Yes, singular and plural. As you all know that what is singular and what is plural. Singular andre enu? Ekavachana. Kannadadalli helbekandre ekavachana. Plural andre bahuvachana. For example, ball, balls. ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ balls. Pencil, pencils. Chalk, chalks. Board, boards. Book, books. ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ singular, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ರೆ there are many things. If there are many things means it is plural. Yes, you have already learned that nouns can be either singular or plural in number. So here they are talking about the not the things, nouns. Noun means what? The name of a person or a thing, that we call it as a noun. Namapada. Yes, the nouns can be either singular or plural in number. So nouns ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So pronouns can also either singular or plural in number. Pronouns, okay, noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ name of a person, things. For example, noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? For example, things or a named person. If you take here, I will write a singular and plural. Yes, noun ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ. For example, ball, balls. Yes, pencil, pencils. Yes, this is about the etc. You can write etc. If you take the pronoun, instead of using a noun, we use pronoun. What are pronouns? The names, instead of a names we use pronouns. Which are pronouns? I. Yes, here I will write it I. Next, he, she, or you can write it he or she. Here itself he or she. Next, it, you. It, you. These all are the pronouns. Which the pronouns are I, he, she, it, you. So here I iddaga, see I singular ಆದ್ರೆ plural ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? We. Yes, I, we. He or she ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? They. Yes, they. He or she ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? They. I ಇದ್ದಾಗ we. It ಇದ್ದಾಗ these or those. Yes, these or those. These or those. Yes. Next, you ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You ಇದ್ದಾಗ you itself, youವೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. Or your, you can, you ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ you ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ you ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It won't change you. Why? Because remember, you is used as a both singular and plural. You. Where are you? So plural alli kuda where are you? Yes. For example, you are a good boy. You are a good boys. So illi boy ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. So you are a good boy. ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? You ಅನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದೆ. ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ you are a good boys. So boys ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? You ಅನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. For example, you are a good girl. You are a good teacher. It won't change you. It can be same in the singular and the plural. So you come to know, no? Yes. So here write the plurals of these pronouns. Write the plurals of these pronouns. I, we, he, they. I ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಬರಿತೀವಿ? We ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. He ಇದ್ದಾಗನು he ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ they ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Again she. The fifth one she, they. Next, pick out the pronouns, change them from singular to plural and rewrite these sentences. They have given the singular sentences. You can rewrite by using the plural words. Yes, shall we do the B main? These are the A main answers here in the activity sheet number 5. A main answers. Okay. Now we'll solve the B main. Shall we solve? Yes, B main. The first one, I went to the library. This is in the singular form. I is a singular. So you need to convert into the plural. How you will convert? I iddaga plural alli enagutte? I ಅನ್ನೋದು singular. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is the plural form of I? We. We went to the library. So here write down that we went to the library. Yes, the first one. Next, second one. It is not a ripe apple. It is not a ripe apple. The answer will be these are not ripe apples. It iddale plural alli enagutte? These. These are not ripe apples. Ripe apples. Okay. Next, the third one. He can swim. He can swim. They can swim. He singular ಆದ್ರೆ plural ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? They can swim. Next, the fourth one. It is a big table. It is a big table. These are big tables. ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? These. These are big tables. These are big tables. Next, fifth one. She runs very slow. She runs very slow. ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಅವಳು ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್, ಏಕವಚನ. ಅವಳು ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಓಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಹುವಚನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? she ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? They run very slow. They run very slow. Yes. Next, the sixth one. I want a brown dog. I want a brown dog. I singular iddaga how you convert into plural? I. What is the plural form of I? We. We want a brown dog. Write down that. We want a brown dog. Next, coming to the sixth one. Sorry, sixth one I am written here. Seventh one. She will fall down. She will fall down. She ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಕವಚನ, singular. So what is the plural form of that? They will fall down. They will fall down. They will fall down. Next, eighth one. He can't go there. He can't go there. Singular ide. Again, they can't go there. They can't go there. Yes. These are the answers of activity sheet 5. The B main answers. Okay. Please children, please copy it down first. Copy it in your textbook. Later, copy it into your fair book. Okay. Yes, written. Now, shall we move to the number 6 and the page number is 66. Read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Monkeys and apes are known as primates. An ape is clever than a monkey. The main difference between monkeys and apes is that monkeys have a tails and apes have none. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ monkeys and apes, monkey ಮತ್ತೆ gorilla, apes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದಂತ gorilla ತರ ಇರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ apes. ಅವೆರಡು ಏನು known as a primates. And ape is cleverer than monkey. monkey ಗಿಂತ ape ಅನ್ನೋದೇನದು ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಣ. clever ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಂಕಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏಪಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್? The difference between monkeys and apes is the monkeys have the tails and the apes have none. So monkey ಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ long tail ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you all seen the monkey how it looks. But here apes ಗೆ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ tail ಇರಲ್ಲ. But it looks like a one big animal. It is the apes are almost black color. The gorilla is the largest ape. The gorilla is the largest ape. Largest ape ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ gorilla. ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದ್ದಂತದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? gorilla. So it is 6 feet tall and it can weigh up to 275 kg. Why? Because the height of the gorilla is 6 feet. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? gorilla height 6 feet high and 6 feet tall. It can be weighed. The body weight of the gorilla is 275 kg. 275 kg ಅದರ ತೂಕ ಇದೆ. When a gorilla gets angry, it beats its chest with its hands. When the gorilla gets angry, have you seen the chimpanzee and the gorilla? Huh? Have you seen the Hong Kong movie? There is a one English movie called Hong Kong. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು gorilla ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So when it gets angry, it beats its chest. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎದೆ ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ತನ್ನ ಎದೆಯನ್ನ ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. So it is the one way of to show the anger with its hands. So see here in textbook they have given gorilla and it's beating its hands. Yes. Next, the first question is name two primates. Name two primates. Which are two primates? The monkeys and apes are the two primates. I am writing here answers. Yes. Monkeys and apes are the two primates. Two primates. Next, second answer is what is the difference between apes and monkeys? The main difference between monkeys and ape. The main difference between monkeys and apes is that monkeys have tails. Monkeys have tails and apes have none. And apes have none. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ apes ಗೆ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಂಪಾಂಜಿಗೆ ಅದು tail ಇರಲ್ಲ. For example, gorilla-ಗೂ tail ಇರಲ್ಲ, monkeys ಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is the difference. Which is the largest ape? The gorilla is the largest ape. The gorilla is the largest ape. The gorilla is the largest ape. Fourth one, how tall is gorilla and how much can it weigh? A gorilla is 6 feet tall. Na helide alla. A gorilla small. It can weigh up to 275 kg. It can weigh up to 275 kg, the weight of gorilla. Next, the last question. What does gorilla do when it gets angry? When a gorilla gets angry, I will write it here, the fifth answer. When a gorilla gets angry, it beats its chest with her hands. It beats. Beat ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು. It beats its chest with hands. With its hands. Okay. So these are all of the activity sheet number 6 answers. And the last one, write the opposite of these words. This is the homework for you. Unknown, silent, stupid, smallest, short. Yes. Yes is the opposite, no. So like that you need to write the opposites. This is your homework. Write opposites. Okay. Homework. HW I am writing here itself. The 6 opposites you need to write. Write 6 opposites. The page number 67. And the composition, write 5 sentences about the birds you have seen at a zoo or elsewhere. So they have given the pictures of a birds here. For example, you visit to a zoo means you will see the birds there. In the cage you can see the birds. So please write down about the birds in this paragraph. 5 sentences, at least 5 sentences minimum. So this is also your homework, children. Please complete it. We'll meet in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.